Hello, this is Simon from BB English. Good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about different words, but it looks same in pronunciation and different in meanings. This is about British, and it could be pronounced like British, and if you want to say snake and snack, different. Snake, yeah, like that is, yeah, can be beat you, and snack can be a food for you. Okay, and then next word is eat and eat. Eat and eat, different, but if you if you if you have problem with this word, can be look the same, it's similar. How can I pronounce that word? Okay, next word is root and root, different. If you're rude, you disobey the rule, that's a root. And or broken people, broken persons in the characteristics, and it's like this road is you can road, I mean you can walk on the road, not road, that is a friend. And the next word is that's and that, the friend, that's and that. If you said that, and you cannot think like that is that. If you say that word wrong, you get, oh my god. The native speaker will say, you bet rip English. And then the next word is walk and work. These words can be different for many people, especially from other countries, Asian countries. They should say work and work. Yeah, that is not English, because the pronunciation get wrong. In English, walk and work. And this is the last one. If you say this is almost same, and words and word, or words and word, that is can be pronounced different. But if you say that word is similar, don't forget to show or express that word to show you are correct in pronunciation to say that word. And this is a bonus for you. It is you can say no and no. Yeah, that is almost the same. You cannot make it sounds different, looks different, to hear the sound different, but it's the same. But that is depends on contact. If you want to say that word, no and no, yeah. No and no. Or many people from my country is to say no. What is different? No and now, different. Of course, now is, yeah, so far different. Okay, I think that's all from our teaching today, and see you on the another lesson, another video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like, and share the video if you think this is important for you, this is necessary for you, and this is new knowledge for you. Thank you.